Let me say something that might make you uncomfortable. Almost every single week, a loving pet owner looks at me and says, if only I would brought them sooner. And the worst part, the signs were there. Weeks ago, months ago. But they didn't look dramatic. They didn't look urgent. They looked normal. Today, I'm going to show you the early warning signs of serious diseases in dogs and cats. The ones most owners dismiss until it's too late. And if you stay until the end, you will know exactly when worrying too much is actually doing the right thing. I'm DrVet. Let's talk about what your pet is trying to tell you quietly. Here's a problem. Dogs and cats are terrible at being patient. If your dog had kidney disease, he wouldn't say, "Excuse me, human, my organs are failing." No, he would still eat. He would still wag tail, still steal your sandwich. And cats would rather pass away silently than admit weakness. It's instinct. It's wild. Showing illness meant becoming lunch. So pets don't scream when something is wrong. They whisper. And humans? Well, the humans are very good at ignoring whispers. Before we go disease by disease, let me translate some famous owners' phrases. He's just getting older. Sometimes. But sometimes he's sick. She's always been fussy. Or her liver hurts. He just drinks a lot. She's just lazy. Or her heart cannot keep up anymore. Don't get me wrong, aging exists, but disease hides behind it very comfortably. Early heart disease and heart failure. Heart disease almost never starts with collapse. It starts with slowing down. And owners say, he doesn't enjoy walks anymore. She needs more breaks. He just lies down halfway through. That's not laziness, it's fatigue. Early signs include getting tired faster, sleeping more, mild coughing, especially at night or after excitement. In cats, it's sneakier, less jumping, more laughing, more sitting, less playing. Cats don't cough much with the heart disease. They power down instead. The urgent signs include fast breathing at rest, open mouth breathing, sudden weakness, collapse. If breathing changes, do not wait. That's not the monitor at home situation. Early liver disease. The liver is a hero organ. It keeps working quietly until it absolutely can't. That's why the liver disease is often advanced by the time we notice it. Early signs owners dismiss: off food, weight loss, occasional vomiting, loose stools, lethargy. An owner says, he just gone off his food. She got a sensitive tummy. And then you've got later signs, and those are bad. Yellow gums, yellow eyes, confusion, drooling, seizure, big belly. The liver doesn't complain early. Blood tests catch problems long before symptoms do, which is why routine checks matter more than people realize. Diabetes is one of the diagnoses owners regret missing the most, because early treatment changes everything. Early signs: drinking more, urinating more, bigger puddles, more litter tray clumps. Or an owner says, he just loves water. No, nobody loves water that much. Other signs: weight loss despite eating well, muscle loss, lethargy, dull coat, weak back legs, walking flat-footed. By the time you see the vomiting or collapse, that's emergency. If drinking increases for weeks, that is a sign. Next one is a cancer. Cancer doesn't always start with pain, and that's why it's dangerous. Early signs is weight loss, reduced appetite, behavior change, bad breath, bleeding, lumps that aren't bothering them. And owner says it hasn't changed much. If a lump lasts longer than a month, get it checked. In cats, hiding, weight loss, drooling, mouth pain, less grooming. Pain is often late. Early detection gives options. Waiting removes them. If your pet's personality changes, assume medical first. That includes aggression, cleanliness, house soiling, sleep changes, hiding. We blame anxiety, stress, or age, or stubbornness, but pain changes behavior. Illness changes behavior. Your pet isn't being dramatic, they're being honest in the only way they can. When should you actually see the vet? Here's my rule. If you've noticed it, it's already worth checking, especially changes lasting more than 1 week. weight loss, drinking changes, breathing changes, new lumps, behavior changes. You are not wasting anyone's time. Early visits mean simpler treatment, lower cost, better outcomes, less suffering. Waiting rarely saves money. It usually just delays the bad news. Most owners who waited didn't neglect their pets. They loved them. They just didn't know what they were seeing. Now you do. Your pet might not cry or limp or scream, but they always leave clues. And if you ever think, I'm probably overthinking this, that's usually the moment to book the appointment, because worrying early is how you avoid regret later. I'm Dr. Vet. Subscribe for honest veterinary advice, and I'll see you in the next one.